जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप? ठीक हैं? मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आप खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज अगेन मैं आपके साथ आइट्स स्पीकिंग पार्ट 1 के क्वेश्चंस आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ। तो आइए हम अपने पहले टॉपिक की तरफ जाते हैं। तो पार्ट 1 के अंदर जो हमारे पास अभी क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं ये लाफ्टर से रिलेटेड हैं, हंसी मजाक से, और क्या कौन से मतलब हैं। डू यू यूजुअली मेक योर फ्रेंड्स लाफ? यस, most often I make my friends laugh, and mostly I make them laugh with my jokes. Sometimes I also make them laugh by making them watch the comedy movies, as I am big fan of comedy movies and comedy programs. So whenever they come to my house, I mostly play some comedy movie or some comedy drama. So this is how I make my friends laugh. When was the last time you laughed? I think it was yesterday when I laughed a lot. When one of my friends made a joke, he told me a joke. Most often we read a lot of jokes in our lives, and sometimes we may laugh and sometimes we may not. But we know that some people are really blessed with a specific kind of humor, and one of my friends, Ahmed, has this ability. Yesterday, he told me a joke. I laughed so much that I can't even explain it. Even I really, to tell you the truth, I really felt pain in my stomach by laughing so much. In what situations do people laugh? Mostly people laugh when they watch funny movies, when they watch funny clips, when they read the jokes, when they come across the funny situations. So these things mostly people make laugh. Do you like to make people laugh? Yes. Already there are so many problems, so many troubles in people's lives, especially in this modern era. So I love to make people laugh because making people laugh is a great virtue, I would say. Whenever I am in the company of my friends, whenever I am in the company of group of people, so I mostly make them laugh with my jokes, with the funny stories, or with every possible way I have. Do you like watching funny TV shows? Yes, a lot. As I already told you, I like to watch comedy movies, I like to watch comedy programs, comedy TV shows. So, my favorite comedy TV show is Kapil Sharma Show, which is so popular with the people of almost every age, and especially is Kapil Sharma, really the host of this show. His sense of humor is so much, and his ability or his skill of making timely joke is beyond explanation. So wonderful. So whenever I watch his shows, I become so happy. I laugh a lot. तो असल में बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है और फिर झालाबारी शुरू हो गई है, तो शायद मेरी आवाज़ आपको अच्छे तरीके से ना आ रही हो। पहले भी बहुत ज़्यादा झालाबारी हुई है और अभी भी बहुत ज़्यादा झालाबारी हो गई है, तो अब मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही कि मैं अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग को जारी रखूं या रोक दूं, क्योंकि इस तरह शायद बहुत ज़्यादा आपको शोर महसूस होगा। वीडियो के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा शोर आएगा। ओके, अगला हमारा क्वेश्चन है, डू यू थिंक इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर योर फ्रेंड्स टू हैव द सेम सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर? It may or may not be. It is important for the friends to have same sense of humor because this is how their life will be so much colorful, full of fun. Because if one or more members of a group of friends are of various nature who don't like to laugh, it may be troublesome for them, for the others. It may be monotonous. It may be full of boredom for the others. In the like manner, when those friends whose sense of humor is very good, when they make jokes, when they tell the funny stories, when they watch the funny movies or TV shows, the others, those who don't like to have fun or whose sense of humor is not so developed, they may not like those activities. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है डिजर्ट्स और केक्स या स्वीट डिशेस. Dessert, sweet dish. Do you like dessert? Yes, I love desserts. And my favorite dessert is actually custard. And I also love kheer, which is a typical subcontinent sweet dish which is made of rice and milk. And also there is cardamom is used in it. I really love it. Do you like eating cake? Yes, I love eating cakes. Though most often my friends, my family members stop me from eating the cakes as they increase my weight, as they increase my fat level, my cholesterol level. I still love eating cakes. Have you ever made a cake? Yes. Last week I tried to make a cake, but unfortunately I badly failed in it because I didn't read its recipe properly, and I never tried to make any food before that. So it was my first experience, and unfortunately, I was badly failed in it. So, do you like sweet foods? As I already told you, I love sweet foods. I love desserts, and I love to eat cakes. And as we know, there is a variety of cakes available, and my favorite cake is chocolate cake, and I love chocolate cake. Is there a good variety of sweet foods available in your country? Yes, there is a good variety of sweet foods available in our country. There are so many kinds of desserts like kheer, as I already told you, a dish which is made of milk, rice, and also cardamom, sugar, and so forth. And also different kind of sweet salads like Russian salad, like vermicellis. Yes, there is a good variety of sweet foods available in our country, like kheer. As I already told you, it is a sweet dish very popular in subcontinent. It is made from rice, sugar, milk, cardamom, and so forth and so forth. And also vermicelli, Russian salad, and some other sweet dishes that are made from different kinds of cakes. तो आइए नेक्स्ट हम अपने टॉपिक की तरफ जा रहे हैं. असल में मैं आपको फिर बताऊं, ये टॉपिक्स नहीं है बेसिकली. मैं आपके साथ जो भी शेयर करने जा रहा हूं या मैं आपके साथ अभी शेयर कर रहा हूं, ये आइल्स स्पीकिंग पार्ट 1 के क्वेश्चंस हैं. आपको पता है जब आपका एक्चुअली आइल्स के अंदर स्पीकिंग टेस्ट होता है तो उसमें तकरीबन 5 7 8 9 क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. वो इसी पार्ट 1 से रिलेटेड होते हैं, जो इन्हीं क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड होते हैं ज़्यादातर. तो मैं चाह रहा हूं कि आपको पार्ट 1 के क्वेश्चंस को एक ही वीडियो के अंदर आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा टॉपिक्स को, उन क्वेश्चन को आपके साथ शेयर करूं, ताकि आपके लिए बहुत आसानी हो जाए नेक्स्ट टाइम जब आपको इनकी प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़े. सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है हमारा ब्यूटीफुल व्यूज और ब्यूटीफुल सीनरी. डज योर होम टाउन हैव ब्यूटीफुल व्यूज? यस, माई होम टाउन is located in Potwar area, and the Potwar region is famous for the beautiful hills, and this area is covered with so many trees, and also there are so many streams. So whenever I have time, I try to visit those lakes that are located in my hometown, and I really chill out, and I really like fishing there. Do you like to stay in places with beautiful views when you are traveling? Of course, I am big lover of nature. I am very fond of nature and I love Mother Nature. So whenever I travel to other areas, in my way to my destination, whenever I come across some place with the natural beauty, I definitely stay there, and I like to take photographs, and I like to spend as much time there as possible. Would you feel living in a house with beautiful scenery? Of course. As I already told you, I am big fan of nature. I love to spend time in natural environment. And luckily, my house is also located nearby hills. So whenever I open the window of my bedroom, I can see through the beautiful hill that is covered with the green trees, and especially now as I talk to you, it is spring season, and in the spring season it is worth watching place as the flowers of different colors bloom there, and birds of different kinds also visit these areas, especially the migrating birds, and they chirp, and their chirping really amuses me, particularly the voice of the cuckoo and the nightingale bird. Their voices really amuses me. Their voices are so enthralling, so infatuating. Do you like taking photos of beautiful scenery with your smartphone? Yes, as I have a cell phone with a very good camera. So whenever I come across any beautiful place, I like to capture those beautiful moments, those beautiful places in my cell phone. So as soon as I see any beautiful place or beautiful thing or even beautiful bird or animal, I immediately take its take take its photo. Can you suggest why some people use their mobile phones to take pictures of beautiful views? Actually, nowadays, almost most of the people have very good cell phones with the very good cameras. So they don't need to carry the bulky cameras that are specifically meant for it, as they used to do in the past. In the past, as we know, when the cell phones didn't have the good cameras with the good megapixels, so they relied on the traditional cameras. But now people have the cell phones with the very good cameras. So these cell phones are easily portable. So wherever they go and wherever they see something beautiful, something interesting, immediately they take its photo with their cell phone. Can you suggest why some people use their cell phones to take pictures of beautiful views? ये तो मैंने आपके साथ बयान कर दिया है. तो आइए नेक्स्ट टॉपिक की तरफ जाते हैं. जी ये रीडिंग से मुतल्लक है. So do you like reading? Yes, I love reading. And I believe that whosoever wants to increase his knowledge, he must read. And reading habit helps me get command at different branches of knowledge. It helps me get rid of boredom or monotony. So whenever I feel boring, immediately I open the book of my interest and start reading it. And I also advise the one or the other people who want to increase their knowledge and who want to make proper use of their time. I would advise them to read or to adopt the habit of reading. Do you read electronic books? Yes. This is the era of technology and advancement. And we don't need to carry the bulky or heavy books or bulky satchels with us. balki bags of books with us. All I need to do is, another way, if I say that I carry an electronic library with me almost every day, I won't be wrong, because nowadays I have, and people have the cell phones with very much storage, so they can store up to thousands of books in their cell phones. In the like manner, so whenever I have opportunity, I like to read electronic books. As also, there are a few websites which I know from where I can easily download those electronic books, which otherwise it might not have been possible for me to buy them, because those books are not available in our libraries, even in our markets, in our books shops. So, unfortunately, thankful to this modern technology that has enabled me to access to those electronic books. What kind of books do you like to read? I mostly like to read the books on philosophy, psychology, European history, and other social sciences. And I also love to read the books on literature, such as books on drama, books on poetry, books on fiction. And I really love them. What was your favorite book as a child? Unfortunately, in my childhood, we didn't have access to those modern books that the children of our age have access to. So, I used to read the stories, the moral stories, the Imran series, and the books like Tarzan's Adventures, and so forth and so forth. So, only these kinds of books were, or some textbooks were available to us in our childhood. So, of course, I used to read those books. Have you lent books to others? Yes, sometimes. Though I feel I hesitate to lend books to others, as I love my books so much, as I endear my books so much. So, whenever I lend books to others, I have the fear that the borrower might not return those books to me. So maybe on some occasions I may avoid it. But most often, indeed, I lend books to others. Have you borrowed books from others? Yes, several times. As I am fond of reading, so it is not possible for me to buy so many books. In the like manner, it's not possible for me to get access to all kinds of books. So most often I have to borrow books from others. And whenever I need to read about some book which I generally don't find, I mostly borrow it from my friends. But as soon as I finish the book, I return it to its owner. Do you read professional books? Not really. During my academic career, I used to read about the professional books as I got plenty of time. And also it was mandatory for me to read about the professional books. But nowadays, as I am free and also I have a choice, so I mostly read the books of my interest. As I already told you, I read the books on philosophy, psychology, and other social sciences, history, literature, and also some books on even astronomy, archaeology, anthropology, and so forth and so forth. तो ये कुछ क्वेश्चंस थे जो मैंने मुनासिब समझा आपके साथ शेयर करूं। तो शायद थोड़ी सी आवाज़ की क्वालिटी इतनी अच्छी नहीं होगी, क्योंकि बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा मूसलाधार बारिश हो रही है और ज़ालाबारी भी आज रिकॉर्ड हुई है जब मैं आपके साथ ये रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा हूँ। तो बल्कि मैं मुझे रोकनी भी पड़ी एक आध जगह वीडियो, शायद आपको महसूस हुआ हो या नहीं, लेकिन वो मेरी मजबूरी थी। तो मैंने कोशिश की कि आपके साथ ये स्पीकिंग क्वेश्चन शेयर करूँ। और मैं ये भी उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग इस मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करेंगे, मेरे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करेंगे, जिससे ये होगा कि मेरी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो के बारे में आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा। मेरी कोशिश होती है कि मैं अपनी जो अच्छी तरह मेरे यानी जो थोड़ा बहुत मेरे पास नॉलेज है वो मैं आप तक पहुंचा सकूं। तो अगर इसमें मुझसे कुछ गलती हो जाती है या मैं पूरा हक अदा नहीं कर पाता तो मैं आपसे एक्सक्यूज़ करता हूं। तो अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।